CTLP stock analysis and CTLP stock predictions in this brief and short 1-minute video. What I'll be doing here is showing you my exact play and everything. So Cantaloupe, $9, $10.99, where I saw this thing just pumping up, which I really much appreciate. And as the only person in this space with 42,000 videos, I have seen what's making me money and what's not. Especially now, okay, this is where we are. When I zoom out and look at this, I actually quite appreciate this solid, consistent bullish market. And obviously, my bias is bullish. So after a gap up like this, I am just praying for little pull downs and corrections, because that's the only way that I can get involved, right? Like, I'm just not gonna buy at the top. That's just me. Done it before, but again, I'm just, like I said, like, I'm just using whatever's worked. And over like 42,000 videos that I ever find this. So if I do not see any sort of pull downs and a double break, I guess it's not going to be my cup of tea, but it is what it is, right? Very solid. So if you do want to learn how I'm making 5-10K when trading, click the first link in the description, get my free emails, and I'll continue to keep you updated.